Oh, it's that rainstorm that's making that sound.
A clue!
Yeah, no, definitely rain.
No, it's a clue!
A clue, really? Well, where? But it's just, all I see is rain. Oh, I get it now. The rain is a clue. I'm with you now. Gotcha. Okay. Hey, you know what we need to do with this rainy clue? Write it down in our handy dandy
Notebook!
notebook. Okay. Our second clue is rain. Okay, so we have some raindrops here. Huh. Kinda shaped like an oval, huh? Then some more raindrops here. Then a big old curvy rain cloud here. And there we have rain. Okay, so, what was our first clue again?
A sun!
Right, the sun. Thanks. Keep doing that every time. And now we have rain as our second clue. Okay, so what song game do you think Blue could possibly want to play with the sun and rain? Huh. Yeah, I think we should try to find our last Blue's clue too, just to make sure. Well, there goes Blue. Let's go too.